close na yung Marikina River pero ang daming debris. This is a week after na, pero matagal na linisin to eh, kaya hanggang ngayon it's Tuesday. Ayan, almost a week na. Natanggal lahat ng barriers.